Sino kaya ang FAMAS worthy na performance ang nararapat po na mag-uwi ng tropeyo ngayong gabi? Here are the nominees for Best Actress.
Best Actress.
Catherine. Baka may title.
Catherine Bernardo in A Very Good Girl.
Nakita mo ba yung office babae? Nakita mo ba?
Maricel Soriano in His Mother's Eyes. Charlie Dizon in Third World Romance. Marian Rivera in Rewind. Sharon Cuneta in Family of Two.
It's Catherine Bernardo.
Eugene Domingo in Becky and Bodette.
Alam na ni Sonia.
And the FAMAS for Best Actress goes to...
Catherine Bernardo.
Uwian na. Para masaya lang. Best Actress! Uwian na? Pinasasaya ko lang, FAMAS. Congratulations po sa inyo. Mabuhay po kayo. Best Actress, Catherine Bernardo!
Sa likod namin.
Maricel, Sharon, Ugi.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Una-una, ang bigat pala ng ano, no? Ang bigat ng trophy nyo. It's my first. This is my first. Thank you so much po, FAMAS. Nung tinanggap ko ang pelikulang A Very Good Girl, hindi naman po ako nag-expect ng any awards or nominations. Tinanggap ko ang proyektong ito dahil naniwala po ako sa material at nagtiwala ako sa mga kasama ko. Siguro, umaapaw lang po yung saya kasi nabigyan ako ng pagkakataon na gumawa ng ganitong klaseng pelikula at minahal at sinuportahan siya ng mga tao. So maraming salamat po. This movie, A Very Good Girl, is a product of hard work, love, and passion. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta, sa lahat ng nagbigay ng oras, at sa lahat ng nagmahal sa pelikula namin. Sana sa lahat ng mercy at filo sa mundo, sana nabigyan ko kayo lahat ng boses. And of course, gusto ko din i-share itong award na to sa lahat ng bumubuo ng A Very Good Girl, my Star Cinema family, my co-actor, Miss Dolly De Leon, our director, Peter San Vargas, oh my God, B, we did it! At sa lahat ng sumuporta at sumusuporta sa akin hanggang ngayon, maraming salamat. Your Very Good Girl is a very happy girl tonight. Thank you so much, FAMAS. And congratulations din sa lahat po ng nominees. You have my respect. Magandang gabi po. Thank you.
Be
Judy Fortune.
The live stream that's watching from their
I
homes
know, everybody's
is
so hyped
going
up.
wild
I'm
right
sure,
now. I'm
yeah.
sure their energy is just as high as backstage where
Oh
we're
my gosh.
celebrating all the big wins. My goodness, congratulations to all of our winners and all of our nominees as well.
Exactly. So hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita next year sa 73rd Fama sa susunod na taon. Isa pong karangalan ang maging host sa gabing ito. My name is Johan Enriquez.
And my name is Nicole Aurela Sancho. But before we leave, we would like to invite on stage all the winners for this year's Fama's Class Picture. Congratulations to all the winners. Once again, I am Nicole Aurela Sancho. It has been an
Yes! At anong hashtag mo tonight? I-promote mo na yung mga hindi mo na pasalamatan, ipasalamatan mo na yung nakalimutan sa stage at yung mga supporters mo ngayon na nanonood ko.
Of course, to my stars and my family, Peters and Vargas, is not the one. To my fans, of course, at sa lahat ng mga nanonood ng Very Little Girl. And, ayun, parang napasalamatan ko na sila lahat. Alam niyo na, you know who you are. Yes, yun, kaka-announce lang namin about again this November. The Star Cinemas also will start shooting soon. So, yan yung tatrabahuhin natin next year.
Yes, let's go. Thank you and congratulations again.
Salamat!
Picture lang the photo.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Picture lang po for the official.
Wait lang po, official lang po.
Camera po natatakta. Wait lang po. Wait lang po.
Official po. Official lang daw.
Ito po. 3, 2, 1, smile. 3, 2, 1. Here, last one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you.
Excuse me. Pakinggan.
Excuse lang po. Excuse lang po. Excuse lang po. Oh, na-stop na po.